Hi everybody. I've decided to make a part 2. It's actually been like a few days now since I made a part 2, I believe. But since y'all wanted a part 2, I'm trying my best right now. I didn't get good sleep cuz I was woken up early. Like very early, like at 3 a.m. My body decided to wake me up at freaking 3 a.m. in the freaking morning. Yeah, I woke up at 3 a.m. Poor me. I tried going back to sleep, but I believe I have autism or ADHD, which is kind of sad. But here's part 2. So you woke up and Wally was still asleep. So you decided to get up and make breakfast. Yeah, you eat breakfast in the morning. Morning is breakfast, delicious. My brain can't process because I woke up so early. So you made pancakes. I hope you guys like pancakes. If you don't, I'll change it something else. Either it's your favorite food or something. But for me, it's pancakes. I love pancakes in the morning. They're just delicious. So, um, you made pancakes and Wally woke up after you finished the pancakes. He was walking into the kitchen rubbing his eye. 'Cause he woke up, you'll rub your eye when you wake up. And, he saw you, that you had pancakes. And he wanted some pancakes. I feel like Wally never had pancakes before because he mostly eats apples. Um, so, Wally, went over to you. Um, can I have some pancakes, if that's what they're called? Because I see a box that says pancakes, and they look identical to the box. You said sure and gave him some pancakes. He tried the pancakes, which, yeah, he ate with his eyes, which you never seen him do before, but it was okay. It wasn't, like, terrifying. But you were kind of confused how the heck he could do that. But, eh. So, you and Tim were, eating breakfast. And, I'm sorry guys, there's, like, stuff going on in the background. And I'm going to therapy soon. Therapy or, like, my counselor or something. But, I might have to end it early. Or than I believe I was going to. But, after you both finished, you decided to go get Wally some, clothing. 'Cause, yeah, you don't want him eating, not, you don't want him wearing the same clothing that is his size. So you decided to go to either the dollar store or something. 'Cause, yeah, cheap as frick. Probably doesn't have good clothes, but hey. I don't know which places have clothes or not. But, let me brain think for a second. You got him some clothing that actually looked like his style. And, he had to, like, fake being a kid. 'Cause, yeah, he's small, looks like a child. Probably my knuckles over here, don't mind me. But, yeah, he looks like a child, so you both went to the checkout section or something, and checked out, and you both left and went back home. You also got him some like drawing stuff, supplies, or like painting stuff, cause yeah, he kept bothering you and bugging you about it, cause he wanted it. Of course he would want it. So you both got home. Wally decided to go change his clothing. And you waited. And when he came out with the clothing, he was wearing the most adorable clothing you've ever seen in your entire life. You were like dying of cuteness. You were like, oh my gosh, my heart. Yeah, he was killing you with cuteness. So, you both just spent time together, and, you remembered that you had to do something with your friend tomorrow. Or today, you forgot. So, you, made sure to tell Wally about it. And he wanted to come with you, 'cause, yeah, he doesn't like being alone. So, let me think for a sec. I need, like, to drink tea or something. My throat's, like, dry as frick. Hold on. I got myself some tea. Oh, Jesus. Oh, heck no. Nope. Sorry. I fucked up. I am so sorry. I got my throat. I am sorry. I'm having, like, allergies. It's, like, so bad. And I accidentally messed up the screen because, sometimes the headphones like to touch the screen and frick it up sometimes. But, you decided to bring Wally with you whenever you were going to go see your friend, so yeah. But I'm gonna end it here because, I'm going to see my counselor or therapist soon, but I hope you all have a lovely day, night, or something. Drink lots of water and eat food, don't starve yourself, and sleep. And don't wake up at 3 a.m. like me, it's not good for your sleep schedule. And sorry what you guys had to, like, see on my on my tablet. I'm recording this on my tablet, like, a lot, so yeah, I recorded on my tablet. Sometimes my phone, but my phone likes to have a glitch session. Or, like, a spaz. But yeah, I record on my tablet more than my phone. So, I hope you guys liked it. I'm so bad at this, but I at least try. I'm losing motivation. But next time I'm gonna add my own drawing to it, okay? This is from somebody else. I don't know their name, their name for this. But it's from somebody else. It's not mine. Oh, my voice is going It's going. I'm going to be in a cheese grater now. My voice is like it's gonna be in a cheese grater now. Oh my gosh. But I hope y'all have a wonderful time listening to this. Oh, my poor throat. And I might do different ex-listeners if you want. I will even do opposite. I'll do, any others. I'll even do grayscale, but, I'm gonna do mostly just Wally. You can even ask me to do Eddie, Frank, Julie, Sally, Poppy, Barnaby. Howdy there, but you can ask me to do any of them. And, yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful time listening to this, and I hope y'all don't go like, why does your voice sound like it's in a cheese grater? I have allergies and it's like probably summer or something, but my allergies are still affecting me right now, so I'm really sorry. I hope y'all like it, and I will make a third part. It's just that I have to go to therapy. I am really sorry if I sound like I'm in a cheese grater. I hope y'all like it, and enjoy.